Web development is the process of creating and maintaining websites. It encompasses a wide range of activities, including web design, web content development, client-side/server-side scripting, and network security configuration. Web developers use programming languages such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP to build and enhance websites and web applications. They work closely with web designers to ensure that the look and feel of a website is appealing to users, and that the site is user-friendly and easy to navigate. Web development involves both front-end and back-end development. Front-end developers focus on the design and functionality of the website that users interact with, while back-end developers work on the server-side logic and data storage to ensure the website runs smoothly and efficiently. The goal of web development is to create websites that are accessible, user-friendly, and visually appealing, while also providing the necessary functionality to meet the needs of clients and users. With the rapid growth of the internet and the increasing use of web-based technologies, web development is a constantly evolving field with a high demand for skilled professionals.